Everyone, welcome back to the channel where I get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and so this morning we are heading to see Miss Topsy for another visit. So please come along with us and please do remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once you post a new video you will be updated. Alright, let's get started up that hill.
Going up the hill.
Alright.
Water up on the grass, you know. You see it? Look right here, so. It's wet.
It's so dry, but maybe most of it up here, so.
Like a brushing that going on, so.
Junior probably not brush it.
Boy, tired already.
Whoa. You know where you talk say, Marcel?
Huh?
You know where you talk say?
You tired?
No must.
So you have to brush up.
Whoa.
Johnny, I must say I look out for you.
Because I guess Miss Topsy tell him to brush it, because the last time we take long to come, Miss Topsy say she think it's something she do why we never come. And she want there for the road, make we never come back. All sort of stuff. So maybe she tell Junior brush it.
I spray for spray now. Keep longer.
Yeah. Because as the rain come down and then brush it, it just spring up right back.
Yeah. The water on the grass.
Huh?
Water up on the grass.
Yeah man, it's still wet to take long picture at the sun. Don't come over here say it. Wow.
It's a rest stop.
Oh, Lord. Yes.
Rest stop?
No more. Tired man. Whoa. We're going and we're going.
We have to do some exercise before we do the journey.
Well, at that time I can't go come up.
Yeah, but you're not coming same day.
Oh God, I can only imagine how difficult it is for Miss Topsy. Marcel, one house over there so fix up, man.
Where?
See a house out there? Like somebody live over there.
Which one?
It's a cream house.
That not fix up with Likkle red step.
No, wait, let me come up and show you. Likkle red step. Yeah, right there, so somebody live there.
Where?
There's a blue drum down here. You see it?
Nobody don't live there, so you see no roof not upon it.
Oh. What is the first man see that house, you know?
Yeah, no. At first, I talk about it.
And I first man see it. I remember seeing that house.
Paul house.
Oh. See somebody up in the bushes there in a red shorts.
Yeah, I could go over the house, go look. Let me show you, so you know, fix up.
You find it?
Yeah, you see it there?
Oh.
Can't see roof good. Pay board up on it, see it there?
Yeah. Oh.
I don't see a step there.
The little red step.
If we can't count too much. Guys, please count the thread of step. My hand kind of shaky. Alright.
I must rest now.
I want to sit me there, so do you talk about rest?
Of course, you never use your feet.
Did I walk it on there? You spray, so. So the bush up bad?
Thank God we reached the top.
Yes. Thank God we reached this top.
Miss Topsy, door lock again. I don't know if she not there
Miss Topsy,
or she locked in.
And she smoke there, so she not gone nowhere. Why we stop her so Karen is so cool? And call her. Call her, yes. Miss Lisette? Miss Lisette? Miss Lisette? She said, who is that?
She said, who is that?
Ya come? With your back. Front. Yes, sir.
This is the...
Huh?
Coming right in here.
Can you sun hot around there, sir?
Yes.
Here,
Hey, Miss Topsy. How you doing?
Not too bad.
Hi, Miss Topsy.
Hi.
How are you?
Not too bad, miss.
Oh, wow. Marcella tried to trick you at top about Miss Lisette.
I won't tell her something name.
We know, man. Remember, you tell us.
I saw.
Lisette.
Hi, man.
But he's don't know no for my in
Say
pass
like a
out.
high man.
But still yet both are one me up here look to we still have people peace.
Yeah, cause you did marry.
Yes. Then what happened now?
You know happy yet, Miss Topsy?
My God. Wait. So me I wonder say if I don't know that
No,
Miss Topsy.
we not dead to rebuke that in Jesus'
in
name.
Jesus' name.
Yes.
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 And look here now.
Yes.
Last week, me go get little bit kind. And me step out of my little good friend, the little post missus.
Yes.
He said soon will pass.
Yes.
Yes.
When you out there,
He may see them there
you
with
can
her.
call her to it.
No, me never see you.
Oh, she.
Oh.
As she see you, and she said, she said me, wait till she cook, she go give me something from, you don't know how me manage the fireside. So,
Yeah.
she nice, you don't know her from Padmouth.
Yes, yes.
She
We
nice.
stopped by there, I think it was last week, and she was telling us that you came there.
Really?
Yes.
God.
Yeah, you want to sit down, Miss Topsy?
Me have one chair.
Just a chair.
You want to sit down?
No, we're good.
Sit down, Kaya. Go need to sit down.
Oh, God. Sorry, sit down. I see me in the I pack up some clothes by me. The place, chaka. Hey.
Oh,
Well, let's talk to you, Likkle.
yes.
This over mandible, you see? You can think you can try out something to me. Look about my eye.
Oh, you want to go to the eye doctor?
The eye them foggy. Sometimes I can't carelessly walk.
Oh,
When me go out of clinic. No, me don't go clinic. Maybe I'm too sick, so I don't go to clinic. And I couldn't manage this clinic.
Then
So.
me stop seeing at the time that you figure when you're sick.
Eh?
At the time you should go.
Well, me no mean. Me just feel funny like.
yes.
Not directly sick, but they don't feel funny. So, me stop and take the sugar and the pressure pill, and me just boil some bush.
But me stop saying.
Eh?
I want to say something because every time the doctor come out, they see out they full up. So where them people are come from?
All about.
So that means that they not get better because if every time doctor come there out there, you know where them are go they go do?
always that.
That's why me say. That's
Then
why
if you
me
change
say.
the doctor.
Eh?
Then if you change the doctor.
Yes.
Eh?
That's what I same thing me say. So me stop take the pill and I take some bitters.
Okay.
Some bitters. Also this morning me take one dose of bitters.
Yeah.
Oh, you get the bitters that you take this morning? Oh, come and see. I look over that spray.
This a one.
Oh,
Bitters that?
Yes.
What name?
A bitters in him.
bitters.
Say no name? Those bitters.
This one here?
Pitching him, mama.
Oh, bro.
Can you remember that bitter?
Yes, it's bitter.
You know it?
No, I know. Picking him but I don't know a bush name so.
Number one.
Yeah.
Yes. All when people them.
I hate grow the red. I hate beer these things
red
here.
seed.
See
Yes.
there?
One of the red, let me show the guys them viewers.
Me know this
Sometimes they are
plant.
bitters, you know.
It's good for man too.
The man too is good for you, not good for man.
But me show you the other one now. Sorry. Lord have mercy. Look now.
Picking mama.
You see this one? This? No, this you know. This one.
Yeah.
Bitter like and you put it with the sorosy. And that can go with the sorosy too.
Okay.
They call it bitters. And the other one, the fall down bush.
This one is fall down bush.
No.
Which one? Oh, the one you're going for now?
The one where you have there.
I can't find this junior spray please.
Come, no man, come here so.
Oh, she find them.
You know what could you stick me Topsy?
Sometime me want fall down.
Let's use the stick.
Yes, now, see it here. This. A number one.
Number one bitter bush? How are they on the head up there?
And this blossom seed.
So where is this name?
Bitters we call it. But a number one. All the three when I show you.
You have some purple things on it. Purple petals.
So, look here how you see it dry up.
You come back.
It come back up.
Oh.
And it probably come here. It used to down a bottom house.
Yes.
Up here, so it there.
That follow you?
Yes. That means me must use it.
Yes, I feel.
That means me must use it. So if you have sorrows, you can put it with it.
Okay.
But it's bitter, you know?
Yeah.
Too bitter.
No.
I them no love bitters. I me drink bitters.
You drink bitters?
Enough. A lot. Where I pick up for me?
I don't know if it's a grassland,
Put it
sister.
back. Anything you find for me.
But you want it?
Everything we see black man, we do want it. You can't take back your ticks or your water grassland.
After all. Me all your money.
Yeah. I mean look, she take off.
So I want to see one hour.
That come with this chemical, the white top. Come with this spray where they use spray grass.
Oh, okay.
So we're doing them in Topsy?
I do never take sick for me. Do not take sick for me. But it's every day gone a bush and get 1 cent.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes him come cook.
Oh.
Can me tell him, me tell him drink some remedy there. And if he
So with this name is Topsy? That one here?
me
Bradley for now.
he had name but me don't know it.
You have to go find out the name.
Only they all happy.
You have to pass the whole of medicine them down up here and go down a clinic.
But I cut me cut off. I cut me cut off.
Yes.
But me don't know where them name. Only the tree where me show you there.
So Miss Topsy,
Ma'am,
the people didn't come back for the thing to with
no,
the,
they
drop
don't
the
come
ply.
back. They don't come back yet.
When them a come?
Me don't know.
So not even kitchen or anything you can do until they come?
I say, Jonah, let's start to clean up there so me no think give me trouble for the kitchen and me put there. For them kitchen there on the house, yeah.
Oh.
Half full house. Half the house half full.
Them can't come give.
So a few, then give a few. So you can fix your house.
No, they don't want trouble to tell them come.
They say you're not for trouble it.
No, they
Afraid of
never.
them, Miss Topsy.
They never see about that. But me no know what
So I
they
say,
will do.
Melissa, the blow away house gone and you could be where you do. What I do, I wait for them.
No, me would have happy they would have happy put something in me.
Well, you need them to put something to give you now.
Yeah, wait long though, man.
Yes.
You appeal to them to come fix Miss Topsy house, please.
Yeah. But Miss Topsy don't want to touch it because they told her not to do anything based on the contract.
Yes.
So they brought the plyboard and the plyboard is here.
Yes.
And promised to come back to do the repairs.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's them come with some church people.
Oh, they come with some church people? Oh. Okay. All right, so Miss Topsy,
Yes, ma'am.
we have surprise for you this morning.
I know what they know.
Ah!
You don't love surprise?
Not too much heavy.
Not too heavy of surprise.
Since you don't love surprise, we are going back. Because that's all where the car come.
Well, all right, me will take it.
So Miss Topsy, we have 2 donors.
Yes.
So one person sent you donations, and then the other person now is you remember when you came last time and we brought the hat and the light? Okay, so this package here is from her. We're going to refer to her as Miss J, and her mommy is Miss Tina, and Miss Tina, her mother, she came the other day. She came back actually because she brought the hat and stuff for you and we delivered it to you. But she come back and brought you this bag. So in this bag we have groceries for you that she gave us to give to you. Right? But she sent something special. I'm going to show it to you. It's all in an Amazon package right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at this, Miss Topsy. I hold a person there.
Me. So when you take it,
I know me.
Guys, we soon make a seat. We have Miss Topsy look at it first.
what is this?
Miss Topsy is not, I know we take it now. She love you so much. She watched the video and screenshot your picture from it and printed it out. And guess what's written below it? The Long Tail Rat song.
Alright, there it is.
So
See that, guys?
the eye,
Miss Topsy.
the eye can't
The song
read
there
it.
at the bottom.
Let me read it for you, Miss Topsy. So it's a long-tailed rat, and it's sung by Miss Topsy, and it's really a song. Cause when Miss Topsy was singing, I didn't know it was a
Song.
a real song.
Yeah.
So the original version of the song is done by Louis Armstrong. So it's Miss Topsy here. Now I'll be glad when you're dead, you long-tailed rat.
Yeah.
I'll be glad when you're dead, you long-tailed rat. Will I? Well, I let you into my home and you won't leave Emily alone. I'll be glad when you're dead, you long-tailed rat. So the second part, no, I'll be glad when you're dead, you long-tailed rat. I'll be glad when you're dead, you long-tailed rat. Well, I let you into my home and you won't leave Emily alone. Let me read over the part there. And you won't leave Emily alone. I'll be glad when you're dead, you long-tailed rat. Aww.
But you know how we come by it. At evening time, sometimes when we eat done, I used to be my husband and Juna. But we don't know if Juna remember it. So we tell himself he give me some story.
Yes.
So he's at that first he put out.
Aww.
Yes. Young here yet.
Yes.
You want to sing it for me again, Miss Topsy?
No.
You don't want to sing it
You
again?
don't want to sing that song again?
No.
You want to sing one different song?
Something, yes.
Yes.
This one, they just run up in my mind and afterward, I look through it, say, no, I shouldn't sing it, you know. After you gone, me say, no, sir, I shouldn't sing it. It don't sound so nice. It sounds
good.
The long tail rat song?
Yeah.
Oh, of course.
People love it.
Especially after finding out that it's an actual song.
Yes, it's a song.
Yeah, I didn't know. I think it's something that you and your husband made up or so, you know?
No.
Yeah.
So, somebody tell you it's a song?
Yes, I went and found the person who actually did the original version. His name is
Really?
Louis Armstrong.
Oh.
Yes, so see the back there, Miss Topsy can put it down on our little table or dresser.
Oh, you have no table
Yeah.
like that, Mrs. Mash up. Everything mash up. We have to see if we get something to hang you up.
Yeah. So here you go, Miss Topsy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yes.
Take your long tail rat, Miss Topsy.
And there's one in here, but this one is not in a frame, so you can also keep this.
Okay.
Yes.
No, please can put it back in my bag.
All right.
But anybody here?
But Miss Topsy, you see you have on the hat in their picture there.
Yes. Yeah, me wearing all button.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah.
Me wearing all button. But look at my face. Oh my God.
So Miss J did that for you, Miss Topsy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So she not foreign.
Straight from over foreign.
Yes.
And then she sent it out with Miss Tina, her mom, to give you.
Oh,
Yes.
thank her very much.
Yes.
Also, but me, old lady
How
now.
long can you see yourself? Sure.
Miss Topsy.
Old lady now. Yes. But the younger king I worry me, man.
Yeah. So Miss Topsy, you want to go to the regular doctor, or you want to go to Mandeville specifically?
Eye doctor, she want to
You want to go to the eye doctor, I guess, at the hospital, at the clinic.
Yes, ma'am.
Have to make an appointment.
Yeah, we know. We used to go there, you know. We cut cataract.
Oh,
Cataract? Yes. All go round something
yeah.
like peas grade. We cut it out at two of them, but one have some bother me, but one.
Oh, okay.
This one, yeah, he can give me the words. Me see, but it sometimes it dark.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Dark. Something I know who me could have get it come with me.
To bring you. So the clinic. We have to make the appointment. Yeah.
Make the appointment.
Yeah.
You go bring her over there.
Maybe but maybe stop now. So the last time you went there, what did you do to get the appointment? The clinic made it for you, or you just get the card and go over there?
When we go over there, we make the appointment. How long, you know? Long now. We make the appointment and test the glass, the eye.
Okay.
I think the next time.
Yes.
But every day they change up things now.
Okay, we're going to check it out for you.
Yes. And then she say, we must come after now. She say, we must come measure. To take the glasses.
Yes.
But it never take me no time.
So you did get one glass?
We did get one
Does it
glass.
expire?
Yes, it expire.
Oh.
And we get the glasses and dear come back again. My son did buy one give me.
Okay.
Me not hear from my granddaughter neither. From this time me not hear from her.
Yeah.
No. You don't know where she live at Palmouth. Don't suppose anything happen to me. Yeah, I saw the post office say, suppose anything happen to me, how me I go manage it?
Yeah.
Some me I go if some me I go just stay no have nobody. Me say only. Sometimes I can't remember your
Michelle.
name.
Michelle.
Sometimes I only miss Michelle and her husband come and look for me.
Yeah.
Yes, but we not hear from my granddaughter.
We have to call her. We have to try to get her number. You have a number? Your phone a work?
No.
What happened to the phone?
The phone inside And Miss Michelle did charge it for me when there. But he said he wants something in it.
What that?
The SIM card. The SIM card expire. The lock. The chip.
I think so.
How much it?
Maybe she take too long to use to put credit on it so it lock.
But remember, we never have no
Even
light.
check it time when the last time. Remember the same credit card?
Yeah.
Two me no have no light.
Oh, boy.
But she did take for her card for the, we don't know
That's
what
the post missus.
yes.
Okay.
The card did last when the stamp. Me no remember, the stamp kind of frightened me.
Yeah.
Yes, like it knocked me out of me brain. Right until now, sometimes me don't feel like me come back to myself.
Oh no.
Yes, I'm glad that me get help.
To go over there.
Yes, Mama. But
Alright.
me can't go by myself.
Yeah, we're gonna check it out
Again.
for you and see if we can get the appointment made. We'll stop by the local clinic and find out what we need to do,
Yes, Mama.
and then we can figure out the rest.
And look here now. A lot of people give you and your husband good name, you know.
Oh,
Yes, man.
yeah.
And they love you.
Okay.
Yes.
So they don't love me.
No, the two of you, me say.
But that's why they love you and she attack to me. I don't want to go on, you know. You want somebody love to.
You're too jealous.
You will they'll tell the wife and you will listen to.
Yeah.
All right. So it's both of us.
Right, so
Okay. I'm frightened. I think no love never did that for me, you know.
yes, man. Everything is there for you.
Okay.
Alright.
But maybe you drive her carrier so far, you know.
Yes. True, Miss Topsy.
Yes.
And you know, they never love me. I walk, she'd have to walk me back.
Oh no, they may never make you with his wife walk.
Topsy, you see what going here, so? Oh, wow.
Yes, sir. So
Nice,
she go
Miss-
foreign and come back.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, so she made 2 trips in that short space of time.
Yeah.
And we met her both times. And she brings something for you both times.
Yes.
Yes, so see your bag here with your groceries.
Yes, ma'am.
Heavy, you know, Miss Topsy.
Thank you very much.
Yes, alright.
You know, said Juna asked for you. I think, yes, day before yesterday.
Oh,
Think I look here, see, I drink so much again.
well, thank God for that.
So much. So if you take time, I cut down after the drinking
Yeah.
and the smoking.
Thank God.
You know, tap, you know.
I know, but him not doing it as much as he
Rocking,
used to.
yes.
Yeah.
And he's saying he can work like first time.
Oh,
And a little bit of work he can do.
oh wow. Yeah.
Well sick here, man. Yes.
So how you managing at the cold time, Miss Topsy?
We put on plenty clothes.
You are really cold up here, not true?
Yes.
Oh.
Sometimes all 2 o'clock. Sometimes me dress me nightie. Yes, I me do bed and put on back the nightie and put on frock over it. Me dress up myself.
Dressed to impress.
Yes, but Juna say him no. He say him no cold.
Oh.
All
The
to
rum
me.
warm me up, man.
Eh?
I rum make you warm.
Oh.
Your blood hot.
Yes, for sometimes, well, how many rain I do in the out there?
Yeah.
You say, well, want a little kitchen. And water come in last night for me, but it was so heavy.
Yeah.
In the room, the room.
The blood in the door?
And this too.
Uh-oh.
The 2 part.
Lord have mercy.
Come in.
Are you still waiting on the persons to come back?
One of them is Anglican person. What was here? what was here, one of them are Anglican pastor, but me don't know the rest of people.
Okay, okay. All right.
Yeah, but they're nice.
Yes.
They're nice. So, what you say I must do now?
With the with what?
But I must sing something.
Oh.
Oh, Miss Topsy.
All right, one of his school songs.
All right.
Humpty Dumpty sat up on the wall. Humpty Dumpty have a great fall. All the king horses and all the king men couldn't get Humpty together again. Oh, 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 oh. There was a lady, she lived in the tubes. She had so many children and she didn't know what to do. She gave them some bread without no broth, whipped them soundly and sent them to bed. Oh, 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 oh.
Hand core, when they are first, you say hand core, and money pay.
Oh, that was nice, Miss Topsy. Short and spicy.
Yes.
Humpty Dumpty, man.
Yes, Humpty Dumpty.
Humpty Dumpty.
Yes, that's him.
Ah,
They love to sing, you know.
yes.
And another time, no singing, no nothing.
Not at all.
Yes, just sit down and I think.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'm thinking and Master God, how He's great and wonderful.
Yes.
Yes, and something with thinking about some people, how they're nice to me. Because you see, that nice little post missus out there,
Yes.
I from me live upon what me know her.
Yeah.
Yes,
Wow.
I from me live upon what me know her. And me tell her about you. So you treat me nice.
Yes.
So,
And Marzel.
yes, you're your husband. Yes.
Watch yourself, you know. What you say, you know? What you
No,
say?
me not trouble him. Me not take away you because, look here, me too old, me not look this up. Me not look this up.
Yes.
Me more I look to Father God.
Yeah.
To God.
Yes,
All right, Miss
sir.
Topsy, so we're gonna leave now.
Yes.
So next time we come back, we can tell you about the appointment and so on.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. And anything. If any. Oh, then so the lady gone back and foreign.
Yes, she left already.
What should we hear, yeah?
Yes, me know.
Yes, yes.
We have to tell her thanks.
Oh, yes.
And thank her very much. And I hope that she might fly safe and take care of herself until such time.
Yes, and remember her daughter now who sent you the
picture.
Yes.
Yes, and tell her thanks very much because I never know that she was so great, taking me all on a sudden. So the picture looking good. Yes.
Yeah.
Get a chance to see yourself.
Yes. So get a chance to see myself. And see what I look like when you get hard.
When you get hard.
When you get old.
I know. All right, Miss Topsy. Okay, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Blessed love to you. Thanks to the donors. Thanks to everyone who continues to support the work that we do. God bless you richly. And thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love. Stay safe and bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys. Love you all. Love
Bye.
you.
Yes, yes.
Yes. All right, Miss Topsy.
Yes, sir. I mean, I wonder who the part on there.
Wonder no more. We are right here.
Right here.
Yeah.
And the time just come.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Time.
Yeah, absolutely.